And then this excuse that no, some of them are I am seeing people who have got the training, the absolute highest training to defend the citizens of Uganda, unleashing that training on the people of Uganda. That's wrong. You are the first people in the line of defense. If Uganda is under attack, if we are under attack, we expect you to be in the forefront to defend us. If terrorists are attacking, you're supposed to be defending us, not beating us. That's why you're trained. That's why you have those arms. That's why you have the uniform. Not to intimidate your fellow citizens. At the end of the day, your children will go to the same schools. They'll go to the same hospitals where there's no drugs. So, let us be honest with each other. It's wrong. And let's accept it. It is wrong. It will never be right. However you want to couch it, they're doing this, they're doing that. No, it's wrong. It's as simple as that. Wrong is wrong. Yes, sir.